It's like, you know.
Oh, buddy.
You know, I think...
You look like a Prozac candidate. I put one of my dogs on and really helped.
Yeah.
Well, it is.
Or just be careful because she can still, she could, yeah.
He doesn't even care. He can go back in.
Cooper. Super duper Cooper. Come on, Super.
It's kind of like the best I can do.
You know, it's fine. Yeah.
That's like a nice run to make.
My problem is it seems like there's never enough.
They're outdoor dogs, kind of, too, aren't
He doesn't really seem to care. He's over there doing his dominant thing. Little Ellie. What? He doesn't seem to care. He's kind of interested, but his tail's wagging. That's a lot of energy.
Yeah. He licks the Jindo licked your mix.